Picture this, you're standing in your kitchen, holding an apple core destined for the trash, when suddenly you realize you're literally throwing away garden gold. Every single day, the average household tosses nearly 2 pounds of fruit scraps that could transform an ordinary garden into a thriving paradise. I am here at BioWell Hub to blow your mind with 3 fruit scrap hacks that will change the way you garden forever, and trust me, the second one is so simple yet so brilliant that you will wonder why nobody told you about it sooner. Let me start by saying that fruit scraps are nature's secret weapon. They're packed with nutrients, enzymes, and beneficial compounds that plants absolutely crave. But most gardeners never tap into this free resource sitting right in their compost bins or worse, their garbage cans. Today that changes. The first hack is all about banana peels, and this goes way beyond just tossing them into your compost. Banana peels are loaded with potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, the holy trinity of plant nutrition. Here is what you need to do. Collect your banana peels for about a week and cut them into small pieces. Fill a large jar with these pieces, then pour water over them until they're completely submerged. Seal the jar and let it sit in a cool, dark place for about 2 weeks. What you'll end up with is banana peel tea, a liquid fertilizer so powerful it'll make your tomatoes, roses, and flowering plants explode with growth. Strain out the solids and dilute this concentrate with water at a 1:5 ratio. Use it to water your plants every 2 weeks during the growing season. The potassium boost encourages strong root development and more vibrant blooms. I've used this on my pepper plants and they went from producing maybe 10 peppers per plant to over 30. The difference is absolutely staggering. Now here comes the second hack, and this one is going to surprise you because it's ridiculously simple yet incredibly effective. Take your citrus peels. Any citrus works, whether it's oranges, lemons, limes, or grapefruits. And instead of composting them traditionally, stuff them directly into the soil around acid-loving plants. Here's the magic. As these peels break down, they gradually release their acidic compounds into the soil, naturally lowering the pH over time. This is perfect for blueberries, azaleas, rhododendrons, and hydrangeas that thrive in acidic conditions. But wait, there's more. Those citrus oils in the peels act as a natural pest deterrent. Aphids, ants, and even some fungal issues will stay away from areas where citrus peels are decomposing. Just bury the peels about 2 inches deep in a circle around your plants, maybe 6 inches away from the stem. Replace them every month or so. I discovered this hack by accident when I was too lazy to walk to my compost bin and just buried some orange peels near my blueberry bush. 3 months later, those bushes were healthier than they'd ever been, covered in berries and completely pest-free while my neighbor was battling aphid infestations. The best part? You're solving a waste problem and a gardening challenge with zero cost and minimal effort. The third hack takes a little more patience but delivers outstanding results. Apple cores and stone fruit pits like peaches, plums, and cherries can be transformed into something truly special. After eating your fruit, save the cores and pits. Let them dry out for a few days, then crack them open to extract the seeds. Now, most people don't know this, but these seeds need a process called cold stratification to germinate. Place your seeds in a damp paper towel, seal them in a plastic bag, and refrigerate them for about 6 to 8 weeks. This mimics winter conditions. After stratification, plant them in small pots with quality soil. With proper care, you'll have your own fruit tree seedlings. Yes, they take years to mature and produce fruit, but imagine the satisfaction of eating an apple from a tree you grew from a core you almost threw away. I started 5 apple trees this way 3 years ago, and they're now about 4 feet tall and thriving. Even if you don't have space for fruit trees, these make incredible gifts for gardening friends or can be donated to community gardens. So there you have it, 3 powerful fruit scrap hacks that cost you absolutely nothing but can revolutionize your garden. Banana peel tea for explosive growth, citrus peels for natural acidification and pest control, and fruit seeds for growing your own trees. Every time you eat fruit from now on, you'll see opportunity instead of waste. Your garden will thank you, your wallet will thank you, and honestly, the planet will thank you too. If you found these hacks valuable, make sure to subscribe to BioWell Hub for more sustainable gardening wisdom that actually works. Drop a comment below and tell me which hack you're most excited to try. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and remember that the best fertilizer is always the gardener's knowledge. Happy gardening!